Come on. Come on. Hey kids, it's your dad, Ricky, here with some Squatch County fishing. It's been a little while. I mean, I know I've put out videos, but I'm like, it's been a little while since I've actually had a full day to come out and get after it. So I'm gonna get right to the point. Today's goal is catfish. And the catfish we're gonna try to catch are on these ugly biscuits. Oh, chicken livers, right? Anyway, yeah, so the goal is catfish, chicken livers. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get on some cats. And I don't know, I'm gonna ask early. Subscribe, you know what I mean? Let's get it done. We are at the spot. Time to get baited up and whatnot. I got some chicken livers. I got mad worms. Chicken livers are frozen, so I gotta try to get a piece off of that. Break me off a piece of that. It's all frozen, so I'm just cutting a hunk off. Pole holders in. See if something wants to eat that chicken liver. And this one's all set up for a worm, so I'm gonna throw a worm out. Shit. Okay. You got a decent fish on. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a good boil. I got my net. I got my net. Decent kitty. Decent kitty. All right. Come on. Come on. In the net. In the net. Hell yeah. Whew. Oh, I needed that. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. I needed that. Oh, we took him in the water. Let's get you unhooked. Let's get you unhooked. Oh, he's a good one. He is a good one. Okay. Right. All right, that's how we want to start. First fish. First fish. Not bad. Awesome. Oh, I need this. Oh, let's go back. Nice. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. That was my first catfish of 2022. Caught it on some chicken livers. And your dad is thrilled about it. I am very happy right now. I tell you what, I needed that fish. I've been coming out, getting nothing so many different times, and it finally worked out. Let's get another piece of chicken liver out there. Let's go. These chicken livers are not easy to hook because they are soft as shit. Something's happening. Something's happening. Got him. Oh no. Not nearly as big as the last one. There's definitely another kitty. Little kitty. Little kitty. Little kitty. All right. Chill out, fam. Chill out, fam. Second one of the day. Croaking like a mug. See that little guy? Yeah. Let's let him go. Nice. Littler guy, but I will take it. I'm happy with 2 fish. That littler catfish got me all kerfuffled. And the other pole needed to get retied as well, so that's what I did. I retied. Now I'm gonna rebait. I'm gonna chuck both the poles back out with some more chicken liver. That's liver. Gross, dude. Number 1 out there, and then hook up number 2. I'm also gonna move them both somewhat down here, because it seems to be, this is where the action is. The action's all down here. I haven't been getting anything down that way. Sun's starting to come out. Warming up. Let's go kitty cats, you know? Let's go kitty cats. Trap set. I bait up the second one. I got my shit strewn about all over the beach. Gotta keep an eye on that other pole, because it happened quick last time. Try not to get the mushiest piece of liver in this bag. It's weird, because it's kind of still frozen. All kinda. But it's thawing, which is making it mushier than shit. I don't think I crossed my own line, but I guess we'll see if something, if I end up hooking some. We shall see. It might be too close together, if I'm being honest. Oh shit. There we go, we hooked him. Shit, shit, shit. 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 Shit, this is all fucked up. Okay, okay. Oh, we are lucky right now. We are lucky. It's not very big. Definitely pulling a little bit though. Oh, I'm getting gummed up in my other line, which could happen. Put up a decent fight though, I will say, for not that big a one. He's a fat boy though. He's a fat boy though. Come here. Holy crap, he's a fat boy. He's a fat boy. Wow, you're a fat ass. Right. Look at that fat boy. Look at that gut. That gut is huge. He's not even that big, but his gut is so big. Gut. You see that? The GoPro? Let's get him back. Easy. Easy. You ready? You're ready. There you go, fat ass. Beat it, nerd. Beat it, nerd. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit. Yeah, this is a fish. I don't know if you could see him. He's like jumping out there. It's not as big as I thought. It felt heavy. Another decent kitty. Nice. Nice. The goal today was chicken livers and kitties. Oh, he's got beat up. Chicken livers and kitties. And guess what? We're getting it done. We are getting it done. All right, let's get him right back. There he goes. Let's get our traps back out. Let's get our traps back out. See if we can't get some more kitties. As you can tell, I was trying to leave my drag open in case something would run with it. But, I mean, you saw in I think two of the fish that I got. Like, boy, did that turn into a debacle for me. Trying to tighten the drag and keep them pinned. Oh, shit. There we go. He's a smaller fella. Tell you what, even these small ones though, man, are they making my blood pump. Nice. All right. That's number 5. Number 5 on the day. Da-da-da-da-da. I'm loving it. All right, let's let homeboy go. See, bud. Feed it, nerd. All right, so the goal today was to use chicken livers and catch catfish. And guess what? We used chicken livers and we caught a bunch of catfish. I couldn't have asked for a better day. It's been way too long since I had a real nice day of fishing, and today was it. I mean, I lost more, or not more, I probably lost the same amount of fish that I did actually catch, like miss hooking up, but I don't even care. I don't even care. Today was it. And that first fish in the video, that was the one, you know what I mean? Like, that got the ball rolling. That was a good sized cat. But anyway, you know, as always, thank you for tuning in to Squatch County Fishing. If you can, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff's helpful. And stay tuned, keep watching, and I'm going to keep making the videos, keep fishing, all that good stuff. All right, kids.